Alright, breakups. They suck. It feels like someone just pulled the floor out from under you, right? Your world crashes and suddenly nothing makes sense anymore, and you're probably asking yourself, do I run back to my ex? Do I need therapy? Or can I actually fix this on my own? Well, guess what? Yes, you can. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to heal from a breakup, all by yourself. No therapists, no coaches, no friends telling you the same cliché stuff. Just you, your mindset, and some practical steps to turn heartbreak into a glow-up. Step 1. Accept it. Don't fight it. The first mistake people make is denial. They say stuff like, "She'll come back. It's just a break. If she loved me, she wouldn't have left." But let's be real. Pretending it's not over just keeps you stuck. Acceptance doesn't mean you like it. It means you're finally ready to heal. Think of it like breaking your leg. If you keep walking on it, you'll make it worse. But if you admit you're hurt, you can actually start recovering. Step 2. Take the lessons. Every breakup teaches you something. Did you lose yourself in the relationship? Did you ignore red flags? Did you depend too much on your partner? Turn that pain into wisdom. Next time, you'll spot the signs faster, and you'll know your worth. Step 3. The glow-up phase. Here's the fun part. A breakup is literally the best time to reinvent yourself. Hit the gym. Fix your style. Focus on you. One guy I know started working out just to kill stress. 6 months later, he was so transformed even his ex didn't recognize him. That's the power of the glow-up. Step 4. Reprogram your mind. The biggest trap is negative self-talk. I'll never find someone like her. Maybe I'm just unlovable. Stop. Flip the script. I'll meet someone who actually matches me. I'm learning to love myself first. Seriously, your brain believes what you repeat. Feed it something positive. Step 5. Go on a love detox. This one's tough, but necessary. Delete old chats. Unfollow them on socials. Stop accidentally walking past their favorite coffee shop. Why? Because every time you see their face, your brain gets a little hit of nostalgia. It's basically emotional drugs. Cut it off. It'll hurt at first, but you'll finally be free. Step 6. Rediscover yourself. A lot of people only know themselves as someone's boyfriend, girlfriend. Nope. Time to get you back. Pick up old hobbies. Try new ones. Travel, music, sports. Set fresh goals for your career or studies. You'll realize you're way more than just their partner. Step 7. Move your body, free your mind. Whenever emotions hit hard, don't text your ex. Do push-ups, go for a run, hit a punching bag. One dude told me he used to break down at night and almost text his ex. Instead, he dropped to the floor and did push-ups until the urge passed. Guess what? Not only did he stop begging, he got ripped in the process. Step 8. Control your time. The worst thing after a breakup is doing nothing. Sitting in bed, scrolling, crying. Repeat. Structure your day. Plan out your schedule. Set small goals. Read 10 pages. Learn a skill. Exercise. Trust me, Staying busy keeps nostalgia out of your head. Step 9. Reconnect with people. Breakups can feel super isolating, so go back to your circle. Text your friends. Hang out, not to flirt, just to vibe. Join clubs, groups, events. Make new connections. Your social life is part of your healing. Step 10. Say yes to new experiences. Moving on doesn't mean rushing into a new relationship. It just means living again. Travel. Try new hobbies. Meet new people without expectations. One guy I knew took a solo trip after his breakup. Scary at first, but by the end he realized, I don't need anyone else to enjoy my life. Step 11. Understand the withdrawal. Here's a science fact. Your brain reacts to a breakup like drug withdrawal. Dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, they all drop. That's why it feels so intense. But remember, it doesn't mean your ex was the one. It just means your brain is rewiring, and you will adapt. You don't need to beg your ex. You don't need a therapist to hold your hand. Everything you need is already inside you. A breakup isn't the end. It's the start of your next chapter. The pain is temporary. The glow-up is forever. So if this video helped you out, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment, and share it with someone who's going through the same thing. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, your best days are still ahead of you.